Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a crafty process video of me creating some hoop mail. I've got my little hoop. It measures about 12 centimeters in diameter, so it's quite small, and I plan on creating a little decorative piece for my friend who wanted some decor for her room. So I'm not so much focusing on the goodies, but more on the process, and yeah, let's get started. First up, I chose my papers. All of the stuff I'm using, or most of the stuff I'm using, all papers and ephemera, is by Park from the Celebrate Winter collection, which I showed in my recent haul. So I just decided to use this star or snowflake pattern for my background. They're double-sided, as you may know, and there's this pattern on the back which is quite bold. And now I'm just taking my hot glue gun and get some glue on the hoop and then press it down, and yeah. As you can see, I did change my mind, and since I don't have any other glue I can trust, I chose my glossy accents, and I just used that too. And I'm just using a pair of scissors to trim off the accent. So now I trimmed down my piece of paper, and to be honest, I'm quite impressed. It doesn't look bad, and it looks also really clean on the back. Yeah, so now I'm taking this piece of paper, also double-sided, and first I thought about using this side, but it doesn't give me enough contrast, so I'm probably picking this side because I want to place some lighter elements on here, maybe some cards, whatever. So I'm going for the darker one to give my piece a little bit more contrast. And now I'm trimming off the excess once again. Now that I've trimmed down my other piece, my half circle, I'm planning what I want to do with the front. I've got my little cutter pots, and I've got a lot of them, but most of them are too big because I really want this huge winter sticker, and I have to figure out what I really want and what will fit. But I also got a pack of ephemera, so maybe there's something which will complement my phrase nicely. Now I decided, before I do anything else, that I want to use my white pom-pom trim to create a border, but I'm not quite sure whether I want the pom-pom trim to go around here or whether I want it to go around the whole hoop to look really cute as well. But to be honest, I really like the look of the wood showing through. Now I did decide to get the trim. I think this looks really cute so far, but now I have to decide whether I still want my huge winter or whether I want to switch it out for something else. In order to get my die cut to fit properly, I just trimmed off a little piece of the trim so that it can fit on here nicely. I may have to trim off another piece of the trim. I now kind of decided that I wanted to use this cute little penguin and this phrase. Now I'm just taking some foam tape because I want some dimension and pop up both parts, or yeah, we'll see about that. So I now applied some foam tape onto my little word sticker and I like the way it looks. I definitely want some more bling, but I want to fill up my little hoop with some other goodies, some shaker bits or some shaker tags, and I wanted to create a shaker wand as well, so maybe it's the best thing to just keep it simple for now. And I think I'm just going to add the penguin with some glossy accents. So now I've got my front cover and I really like it, and now I want to do a shaker wand, and I've got this little cake pop stick, and I've got some other colors, but I think I feel like they don't match my color scheme, so I'm probably going to trim that bit down a little bit, but now I'm creating my little shaker wand. Now I'm back. I finished my little shaker wand. I just added a cute little golden bow and I think it's really pretty. I added some blue chunky glitter flakes and some white iridescent hexagon shaped glitter. And then I added some beads, some blue beads. I used a paper from the Celebrate Winter collection as well as a die cut from the ephemera set. And yeah, I just used the blue cake pop stick. And now I trimmed off a little bit. It fits in perfectly. And I just added a cute little sticker phrase. So now it says snow and winter days. I just wanted to have a little more white and some more words. And now I die cut some golden stars, and I hope this gold matches my golden bow, because I first die cut some other gold shade which looks really silver, so I hope this matches. And I really like the shape and the detail it added, so I just gave it a try with this other shade of gold. And then I just add them to my piece. And I really like this side. I think this is cute. I think I like it that way. So this is just some star dye I got from Die Set by Action. So that is my finished project. I just quickly added some finishing touches. I added a little sentiment into my inside circle. It says "Happy Winter from your favorite flake," and I think that's super cute. And I just felt like I need to add something to the inside. And then I've got this little baggie with chocolate. I just made a little embellishment, or I took a piece of ephemera, sending warmest winter wishes, and then I just packaged it with a plastic baggie, and now it kind of fits. It's not intended to stay there for years and years, but just for a few days till she takes it out. And then there's a little simple cute shaker wand, and then it can go in here, and that is my simple and small hoop mail tutorial. I just add a little counterpart to the backside, found in the snow with a cute little polar bear. It really matched this patterned paper, and I thought about adding like a band or a ribbon or something like that to the hoop, so she can hang it on her wall or something like that. But since she wanted to put it on her desk, I just thought it would be fine without this little detail. So that's my hoop mail. Hope you enjoyed. I know this is a little crooked, but it's handmade, and that's what matters. And I hope she'll enjoy it, and I hope she really likes it. I think it turned out really cute. I'm so happy I did that. And my favorite part is actually the golden stars. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, and I hope I see you in my next one. Bye!